Good morning, afternoon, evening. I have no idea where you're at. But today, I'm working on something. It's gonna be an addition to the channel. Oh, look at that. I'll do a proper video on the beast right here. Explain a little bit of stuff, which you'll be watching before you see this. But anyways, I got some lights and stuff to fix on this. Just real quick, get you in here. That's one of the lights that are cracked and not working right. I just redid two of the red marker lights on the other side. One I had a bad time. I didn't like how I did it, but it's in there and it looks good now. But anyways, new adventure. It's a little maintenance issue thing we're doing there. Oh, can zoom in. Didn't know I could do that. So this is our latest acquisition. The green tape is a ongoing issue that we're working on solving. It's very windy here today. We have a bunch of tree branches are breaking. Green tape is maintenance issues, so to speak. We'll get into that. This is a 2002 Fleetwood Pace Arrow. Yes. And well, videos to come and a description to come. So, buy another RV. Yeah, let's buy another RV. Doing some work, placing some lights. Noticed a little bit of wet on the floor. I was working on the batteries. I start poking around, and we got a water leak. So I'm thinking it stops right around here. Show you in the back here. Here's the cupboards, door frame thing. Now this is just, I gotta find the leak and have to seal the leak. And then this wood right here, it's just peeling off. It's real thin stuff. It's not too bad putting that up. You can cut it, manipulate it. But finding a leak and halting the leak, #1 priority at this point. Luckily, we got this decent insulation in there that doesn't expand a lot when it gets wet. But I'm thinking that this hole, I'm thinking it's gonna have to go because I'm thinking it's rotting the whole way down. But just for now, I got the cupboards out. A lot of fun. Oh, a lot of fun. But hey, buy an RV. See the country. Anyways, well, I got stuff to take out. See you in a bit. Well, found more. Found a little piece of wood thing down there. It's outside now. I have no idea why it's there. I think water was coming and running down that door and just parking down there because it was bad. Here I got all the bad wood, just about all off. And the wood that's good over there, right there, doesn't want to come off. But got to keep going. Find all the rot, all the bad stuff, and dry things out, put some new wood in place, and move on with my life. But, I don't know, I'm getting there. Look at this. It's just soaking wet. It's running down. I'm trying to catch it with a towel. I think it's leaking for a while. All right, well, the saga continues. I think, can you see this? Well, of course you can see it. It's a video. But I do believe that this right here, where the roof is coming up, I made there's a little tape mark there. tape marker over there. That's where the windows where things seem to be going south. But there's also this little bitty hump right here. I'm not thinking that's very good. And I think the water is coming in here and then just going whoop, down to there, hitting the stud or finding its path of least resistance and going right in the coach. Because I sealed the windows, still a lot of stuff the other day. Yesterday it rained and still had water in there. So I think this is it. I have some, oh, what the heck is it? Not sponsored. Extreme tape stuff for, you know, vinyl, metal, or, you know, for this type of roof. So I just cleaned it off. I'm going to dry it off a little more. I'm going to tape that up. It's supposed to be getting some rain coming up here, so this may be our issue. All right, so the saga continues. Did that patch on the roof that you guys saw? Turns out, didn't fix anything. It's still a leak. Leaks are mostly coming in, dripping here, coming through here, here, and here. But I did take this panel out. I looked behind there, wall solid, you know, no sign of leakage. I'm really at a loss. I did some research. Oh, I'm taking, took the seat belt out. Had to get the impact gun out for that. I'm going to take the passenger seat out. Me and my wife moved the chair into the house. Oh, it's getting even better in here. Oh, beer cans. Disregard the beer cans, kids. Because I got to get up under there because I do believe we have some soft, bushy stuff up there. And it's just going to make my life easier. But I do have some plans for the roof. I did some research and I think I come up with something that we're going to use. But the weather is still just, the weather's not nice. It's cold. I know it's 50 today, but it's still cold. I don't want to get up there scrubbing with water in 50 degrees. But anyways, this is a little bit of what's going on with the RV, water leak, renovation, repair, and everything. More to come. Okay, window frame removed, seat belts removed, seat removed, which I think it's gonna hang out there. I don't think it's gonna mess with the couch. Better not. I may have to flip that over. But can I anti-zoom this? No, I guess I can't. Anyway, so we're gonna start peeling off. We have a little bit of leak. How do I do this? Yeah, see if I'm not sure how to zoom. Oh, there we go. See, there's a little bit of leak down there in that corner, but it seems to be just a real small square. So I'm going to figure out how to possibly just, you know, do that little corner. Dana is working. I don't want to take the dash out. Dana's working on some wallpaper things. And like I said, got a roof thing in mind. That's going to be a big deal. Anyways, moving on. All right, well, I think I got a pretty decent squarish cut there if I want to put the new wood in. I think I got pretty much all the rod out. I have the carpet. You can see where it's just been leaking. That's the bottom of the chair right there, actually. And I got all the wood off, relatively squared off. Where all the bad stuff anyways that I'm taking out. And then I'm working on just getting these last little bits of wood that are off. I got a line struck right there. That's where I'm gonna make a cut. You see how it goes? Yellowish on my camera. And right there back to white. That happens when I make my videos, and I don't know why. But as the guy I used to work with used to say, just packing along, packing at it. But I know it looks terrible, but it's got to look bad before it starts looking good. Okay.